Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. Here in Australia we have a federal election in a couple of weeks, and wherever you are in the country you're probably overrun with a flood of strangers wanting you to vote for them. Here at Tightwad Workshop we're trying to restore a bit of balance to this situation, so I'm happy to announce that I'm not a candidate in this election. Let's hit the town and see if we can spread the word a bit more widely. So please tell us how you feel about Mr Tightwad's non-candidacy in this election. Look, I've known Mr Tightwad for a while and I've always been impressed with his ability to stay in his own lane and not run for public office. Well look, considering how distrustful I am of strangers in general and his workshop techniques in particular, I think this is best for everybody.
With many a politician these days trying to lead countries into recessions and wars, at least there's one man out there that's making them look good.
Well, you know, considering the state of the world today, I think it's nice that people finally have something to be happy about. Mr Tightwad has canvassed his community on this topic many times over the years, and the community response has always been consistent. So can you tell us in your own words why you're supporting Mr Tightwad's non-candidacy in this election? Well look, in my case it's just basic family guilt-tripping and blackmailing.
I'm feeling relief. I'm feeling so relieved that he's not going to be a candidate for this election.
I'm confident that he won't get elected because of his lack of skills, talent and charisma. But we can't afford to take any chances. He appears to have integrity of some kind.
Well, you know, he's not especially skilled, talented, or competent, but he does try hard.
I'm just here to make sure he follows through on his promise, and who's going to come looking for me here? So I hope that's cleared everything up. Not a candidate. If you're determined to go ahead and vote for Tightwad Workshop anyway, I think it's important that you take a look at our campaign slogan first. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tightwad Workshop is filmed in front of a live studio audience.